Good evening. So, we are going to start another method to solve the simultaneous equation, that is the graphical method. Okay, first method, that is elimination method or equating coefficient method, has been already completed. Now, how to solve the simultaneous equation by graphical method? Actually, I have taken two examples in the last lecture also, means we have started. But now here, we are going to start practice set 1.2, totally depends upon the graphical method. So, what is the first question in that practice set 1.1? 1.2, complete the following table to draw the graph of the equation x plus y is equal to 3. See here, means equation is given, no doubt it is a linear equation in two variable, and what is the question? Plot the graph. But you should know, we can't plot the graph without finding the coordinates. Means even the question has been asked, plot the graph, you should find first the coordinates for the graph. So this is the equation. This is the equation x plus y is equal to 3. So see here, how to find the coordinates? How to find the coordinates? Let us see here. Look at this. So this is the equation x plus y is equal to 3. So x plus y is equal to 3. X plus y is equal to 3. It means that what is y? It is 3 minus x. Just taking that x to the right hand side. So this is x and this is y. So what is the formula for y? So y is equal to, so see here, y is equal to what is the formula for y? Y is equal to 3 minus x. See here, 3 minus x. So look at this. Suppose if we take x equal to 3, if x is equal to 3, then put here what is y? Y equal to 0. Means here y is equal to 0, right? Now here, if we put y is equal to 5, put here y is equal to 5 in this equation. So if y is equal to 5, then this equation becomes x plus 5 is equal to 3. Means here x is equal to 3 minus 5, or that is equal to minus 2. So if y is equal to 5, it is minus 2. So what is the point? Minus 2 comma 5. Okay. Now next, again, if we put x equal to 3, then y is equal to 0. That is the first point. If we put y is equal to 5, x is equal to minus 2. Now put y is equal to 3. If we put y is equal to 3 in this equation, then x plus 3 is equal to 3. Means x is equal to 3 minus 3, or x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Right? So what is the point? 0 comma 3. So these are the different coordinates for the given line. Now we have to plot the graph for that. So how to plot the graph? Let us see here. Look at this. Actually, I can plot it automatically with the help of this digital panel. Okay. Next remaining question I will solve in this way only. But now these are the basic question, these are the initial question. That's why I am going to draw the graph as per your method, that is drawing the graph on paper. So see here, suppose this is x-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Y-axis and x-axis. Okay, and let it is origin. So it is 1, it is 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Then it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. Okay, take another one. So on y-axis, suppose this is plus 1, this is plus 2, this is plus 3, here it is plus 4, plus 5, like that. And on the other side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, etc. Now plot the point. What is the first point? 3, 0. What is the first point? 3, 0. So here 3, 0 means this is the first point. 3 on x-axis, 0 on y-axis. Another one, minus 2, 5. Minus 2, 5. Look at this. Here, this is the another one. Right? Then 0, 3. 0, 3 means this is third one. Right? These are the point. Now, we have to plot the line. Okay, draw the line passing through all these points. Passing through all these points. See here. Look at this. See. Have you got it? This is the line. Which line? X plus y. Which line? It is x plus y is equal to 3. This is the line. Have you got it? So let us see here. This is the given question. Because of what is the question? Complete the following table to draw the graph of the equation. How to draw the graph of the equation? Okay. Another question. Now see here, this is another one. X minus y is equal to 4. This is the second equation, and question is asked, plot the graph for this line. How to plot? Again it is an activity and table is given. Some values for x and y are given. We have to find remaining values and also the coordinates. So see here, what is the equation? Given equation is x minus y is equal to 4. Right? Now here already given x, y equal to 0. So if y is equal to 0, then this become x minus 0 is equal to 4 or x is equal to 4. See here, x is equal to 4. So what is the first point? 4, 0. 4, 0. See here. Another one, put x equal to minus 1. Put x equal to minus 1. So that here minus 1 minus y is equal to 4. So therefore minus y is equal to 4 plus 1. Means here minus y is equal to 5 or y is equal to 5. Y is equal to minus 5. Sorry. Y is equal to minus 5 means what is the second point? So it is minus 5 means here minus 1 minus 5. Right? See here. Minus 1 minus 5. See here. Okay. Now another one. Another one, if x equal to 0, already we get y equal to minus 4. Means what is the point? 0, minus 4. 0, minus 4. This is the point. Now again, plot the graph for these coordinates. How to plot the graph? Now see here. Look at this. Let this is x-axis. Okay. This is y-axis. Got it? See here. Okay. What is this? This is x-axis and this is y-axis. We are plotting the graph. Okay, now plot the points. Before that, mark the coordinates. Suppose it is 0, origin. Let it is 1, it is 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. On the left hand side, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, like that. This is for x-axis. Now for y-axis, let this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Now plot the points. What are the points? See here, there are different points as we have already seen. What is the first point? 4, 0. So 4, 0 means this is the first point. 4, 0. What is second point? It is -1, -5. So it is -1 and it is -5. Means this is the another point. What is third one? 0, -4. 0, -4 means this is the point. Right? All these are the point. Now draw the line passing through all these points. Okay? Draw the line passing through all these points. So, how to draw the line? Look at this. See here. This is the line. This is the line. Which line? X minus y. X minus y is equal to 4. Got it? Very simple. How to draw the graph of the given line. आतापर्यंत आपण जे पाहतोय की सिंगल एखादी लाईन जर घेतली, एखादं इक्वेशन जर दिलं, तर त्या इक्वेशन वरून लाईन कशी ड्रॉ करायची, बरोबर ना? आणि मग त्यानंतर आपण पाहणार आहोत हाऊ टू सॉल्व द सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन बाय युजिंग दिस ग्राफिकल मेथड. व्हेरी सिंपल. In that case, what happened? Two equations are given. So, find the coordinates for both the equations, draw the graph for both the equations and see whether these two lines intersect each other or not. If they are simultaneous equation, definitely they intersect each other, and find the point of intersection. That point of intersection or coordinate of point of intersection are nothing but solution of the given simultaneous equation. Okay, let us see here. Look at this. This is the second question from your practice set 1.2. What is the question? Solve the following simultaneous equation graphically. Let us see the question. Solve the following simultaneous equation graphically. And what is simultaneous equation? That is given x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4. So here two equations are given. Very simple. Let us see here. Let us see here. Given that, what is the first equation? X plus y is equal to 6. That is equation number 1. Okay. And what is another one? Another one, x minus y is equal to 4. That is equation number 2. These two equations are given. No doubt these are the simultaneous equation and we have to solve it graphically. So, look at this. Find the coordinates for this first line, then coordinates for the second line. Okay. So, look at this. Number 1. Number 1, x plus y is equal to 6. It means that y is equal to 6 minus x. So, here draw the table first to find the coordinates. See here. You can find 2 points or maybe the 3 points. Let us see here. So, here x, then y. What is y? 6 minus x. and here x comma y. So you can put any value. If suppose if we put x equal to 2, then what is y? 6 minus 2 means it is 4. So what is the first point? 2 comma 4. Okay. Now another one. If we put here x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3, then what is y? 6 minus 3 means 3. So 3 comma 3, that is the another point. Okay, these are the coordinates for first line. Now another one. So what is another line? Another line is x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, therefore here we can say y is equal to x minus 4. So find the coordinates first. See here x, y, x comma y. Suppose x is equal to 0. If we put x is equal to 0, what is y? Y is equal to minus 4. Means what is the first point? 0 comma minus 4. If we put x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, then what is y? Y is equal to minus 4 means minus 2. That is 2 comma minus 2. Okay? See here. Look at this. These are the coordinates. So here we can plot this first line as well as second line. Okay. So here there is one option in the digital panel. Directly if we give the information, it will plot the graph. Okay. So see here. It is in function. Okay. This is about the graph. See here. So look at this. Just put the values. What is our first equation? Y is equal to dash dash. See here. Y is equal to dash dash. What is this? So y is equal to, see here. What is our first? Y is equal to 6 minus x. So look at this. Y is equal to 6 minus x. This is the keyboard. 6 minus x, right? 6 minus x. Let us see here. This is the graph of first line. Okay. System is hanged. पहा या ठिकाणी आपण एक त्या ठिकाणी ग्राफ काढलेला आहे. असंच आपण दुसरे जे इन्फॉर्मेशन दिलेले त्याच्यावरून दुसऱ्या लाईनचा ग्राफ काढायचा आहे. आणि हे दोन ग्राफ जिथे इंटरसेक्ट करतील ते आपलं काय असेल, दॅट इज नथिंग बट द सोल्युशन. आलं लक्षात? सिस्टम हँग झाल्यामुळं त्या ठिकाणी आम्ही दुसरी लाईन काढू शकत नाही, तर आपण ती काढा. मी पॉईंट काढून दिलेले आहेत आणि त्या पॉईंटमध्ये त्या ठिकाणी दोन्ही लाईन काढल्याच्या नंतर आपल्याला इंटरसेक्ट कुठे होतं तो पॉईंट काढायचा आहे. ओके, सो दॅट विल नथिंग बट द सोल्युशन ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन. आलं लक्षात? ओके, तर आपण इथेच थांबूया. थँक्यू.